Well, whether you like it for breakfast, dinner, or as a bit of a midnight snack, Kugelhopf can be... Did I get that right? Yes, very good. Can be served at any hour of the day, dating back more than 300 years. This slightly sweet cake with a delicious, oozy filling will keep you feeling nice and warm this winter.
Yeah, here to show us how to make a chocolate yeast Kugelhopf are the ladies from the Monday Morning Cooking Club. I tried.
You're doing well.
Thank you to Lisa, Natanya and Merelyn. Where do we start with this?
We start with the dough, like always. Natty, over to you for the dough.
A yeasted dough. You leave it, you mix it up, leave it in your bowl. It rises in 2 hours, so it's a good weekend project because you need a bit of time. Once it's risen, you take out half, which I've done here, and you spread it with this fabulous chocolate mixture, half of the chocolate mixture.
Oh, dear.
And it's really hard to do this without getting it all over yourself. So just be
happy
prepared.
days. Happy days, yes.
So you can see we've got chocolate, sugar, cocoa, butter that's
and a bit
melted.
of cinnamon.
Yeah, a touch of cinnamon just for a bit of spice.
And how do you activate your Kugelhopf?
Well, you activate your yeast.
Yes,
exactly.
Yes. So it always needs something warm, like some more milk or some more water. This one's got milk and a bit of sugar and a bit of flour. And when your yeast, it's hard to say that, yeast starts to froth, you know it's ready to use. If it doesn't froth at that stage, I'd toss it out and start again. Just a little bit of yeast.
Just eat the chocolate.
Yeah.
So what you do is you spread your chocolate all over, and I'm just rushing so that we can see the whole thing put together.
So let's roll that up.
Pretend that's all over.
Okay, this is the interesting bit, right? What are we doing with that?
And then you're just going to roll it out. You should feel that.
You should feel it.
Feel like a baby's bottom.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
See, it would get a bit...
Don't look so scared, Larry.
Like a yeasty baby's bottom.
Yes. Roll it out.
Yes, Kylie.
No, you'll prevent it
closer
being
for you?
sticky by rolling it on some greaseproof paper with some, flour or...
Yeah, just with flour. And then there's a seam you can see, and so you want this seam up. If you can, with the first roll.
Okay.
And Natanya's going to roll out the second one quickly so we can see how we put the next one seam down on top of it.
And there's some other things here on the table as well. So there's some good old-fashioned compote, some prunes and nuts.
Every Jewish grandmother made compote, right? It's just something we all grew up eating. And this is such a good one because you don't even have to cook it. So you get your favourite dried fruit and nuts, you put it in a big bowl, you put some orange juice and orange zest, just a bit of water.
This is what we're talking about here.
Some cinnamon, and then you cover it and put it in the fridge for a couple of days.
And that's sweet,
and that's it.
Filling, and it's kind of good for you.
If you want to try it, you can have a little taste if you like.
And then the cake that we're looking at in the front, that's a mandarin cake, is that right?
Mandarin and marmalade cake. And mandarins are so good at this time of year that we just thought we'd bring one in to show you.
Beautiful. Well, look, we've done
and it's flawless.
And what we love about that cake is that you make like a mandarin marmalade and you use a bit of it to pour over the cake and the rest you have on your toast for breakfast.
Now, Kylie and I, since we started the show almost 11 years ago, actually have got a prune ban on set. But I'm going to break this today to taste this, right?
Okay, so this is the Kugelhopf.
I'm just going to...
We're doing the second roll.
Yes, because I'm going to show you how it looks
at the time.
Coming, spreading it all over. You want to get right to the edges if you're at home. So for us today, you'd spread it all over. You roll up your second one.
Beautiful.
Seam up also on the second one, or seam down?
Seam down.
Oh, there's a science to it, Kylie.
Because you want it seam to seam.
And how long does it take to cook?
Well, after you've put your second one in, which I'm just going to do right now, you are going to leave it for a second rise for 1 hour, just in a warm spot, just like that. Then you're going to put it in the oven for 40 minutes, and it comes out looking like that.
Now, Kylie made a very good point. It has the appearance of a what do you call it?
A panettone.
A panettone, but it's nothing like
it. You've got your crusty outside and then your bready, chocolatey inside.
Am I having this for morning tea, afternoon tea, or any time?
Didn't you hear what I said at the start? It's a midnight snack, morning tea,
a breakfast.
And it's best straight out of the oven. Reheat it the next day even. It's really good.
In the microwave or the oven?
I would always do the oven.
Okay.
And then you're in a hurry, microwave one.
Love it. Looks like an amazing coffee. Thank you so much, girls. You can find the full recipe and details about Monday Morning Cooking Club's book. It's always about the food, is what it's called, with the girls on the cover, and details are on our website.
Thank you, ladies, very much. That's very, very nice. Sorry about the prune thing, Kylie.
No, it's okay.
Have a great day. Love it to see you.
Nothing to apologise yet.
Yes, you'll know.
Okay.